The hour has come, the hour has come, the hour of judgment has come. Fear God, glorify Him, prepare to enter the kingdom of God. Come out of her, come out of her. Babylon has fallen, come out of her. After creating the heavens, the earth, the sea, and the springs of water, God rested on the seventh day. You too, oh man, rest on the seventh day. Come out of her, come out of her. She who offers the wine of fornication, called Sunday worship, come out of her. Keep the 10 Commandments daily, maintain steadfast faith in Jesus. The patient endurance of the saints is revealed in this. This is the truth. Come out of her, come out of her. She who offers the wine of fornication, called Sunday worship,